This is question 8 now from the January 2011 BY1 paper. It's question number 8. This is the long answer question. Okay. Now, basically part A, which is what we're looking at in this video, is again to do with describing the properties of water and its functions in living organisms. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time on this because we've actually tackled an essay on water back in the January 2009 paper. Okay, so if you look back at the January 2009 paper and videos, you'll actually see a full answer there on the properties of water. What I'll do then is I'll just go through some pointers on this essay, but I won't write out an answer for you because the essays are very, very similar, really. Okay. So you should always start off by talking a little bit about the structure and properties of water. Make sure you know that it's a polar molecule, that there's a dipole there. There's uneven distribution of charges. Remember the hydrogen being slightly positive and the oxygen slightly negative. Mention about the formation of hydrogen bonds. Okay. Then you can start talking about the sort of properties and functions to living organisms. So remember about the thermal properties, the heat capacity, the latent heat of vaporization. Okay, talk about the universal solvent. Okay, the function of ice, that ice acts as an insulator and prevents further freezing of the water that allows aquatic animals to survive. Remember the water is transparent, light can pass through it, so photosynthesis can occur in aquatic plants. There's lots and lots of things you can put in here. Make sure you mention the transportation aspect of water. Anything that can dissolve in water can be transported. All reactions occur in an aqueous or watery environment. Okay, so these are all quick bullet points that I'm just mentioning because we have tackled this before, as I've said. You could mention about the high surface tension of water. Okay, ice being less dense. Okay, lots and lots of things you can bring into this essay. So what I'll do is I'll bring up the marking scheme for you. Okay, you can have a look through it. Okay, but like I said at the start of the video, I won't write out an answer because it's pretty much the same as the January 2009 essay. Okay, all right, and scroll down a little bit further. You can then see the final marking points. Okay, so just another little tip for you. Just make sure you describe fully the functioning of the water when you do this essay. Okay, so we'll leave that question there. Just remember to check January 2009 as well.